Hi everyone, today we are going to see how to install the EvoluteMessage app into a sandbox. The process is the same for production, but today we are going to see only for sandboxes. So here I am on the AppExchange. I did search for the EvoluteMessage. So I did authenticate into the AppExchange. So now I'll just click here on Get It Now. Now we are going to wait. Salesforce gonna because I am logged in, Salesforce gonna show a pop-up for me. So here is the connected Salesforce app. If I want to install like in productions or developer org, could choose that. In my case, I do want to install in a sandbox, so I'm gonna click here and install in a sandbox. So then Salesforce should ask me for the agreement here. I will confirm and install. And now Salesforce should redirect me to the login page on the test.salesforce because it's a sandbox. So I will add here the login information and I will click login into Sandbox. So now Salesforce basically asks me which user should have the permission for the app in the beginning. I will leave just for the admins for now, but you can choose any of these if you want. So I will click here install. So I will allow the remote site settings to be installed as well and to be active. So basically the remote site settings here is for us to know which plan are you. If you're on the freemium, if you're on the advanced. So you allow that and I can continue. So now the installation takes about 2 minutes. So now we wait a little bit. And then Salesforce should redirect us to the EvoluteMessage website here. And once we click done, I should be able to access the EvoluteMessage application. So let's wait just a little bit more. I also can click here on View Components. So we have about, I think, 104 components. We have about 5 objects. This is for the users to access the app. This is for to create the data source. This is for the events, and here's the installation has finished. So I do have a few steps here if you want to follow, but let's just click done and let's see if we have access to the app. So here it shows the app was installed, and now if I go to the launcher, the app launcher here, so if I search for EvoluteMessage, I should see the app there. If I also go to a Lightning record page, so when I install the app also, if I access the dashboard, it asks me for the user that I want to register. I can click here on add myself, and then we can start to build a message. So it will build a simple message here. So just gonna leave this by default and gonna say post message, and I'm gonna publish. So now if I go to service, I'm gonna go to an account here and I will add this page, and I should see now the EvoluteMessage here components. So I will add just a advanced message to see if I can see my message. I can toast message here, and then if I save, I think this page is active. Let me just double check if this page is active. Yeah. Okay. So if I go back here, I should see my toast message here. So it means that it's working. So that's all for this video. If you guys have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate us to contact us on the EvoluteMessage.com support. So we do have contact us here. We also have let's chat here. So let us know if you guys have any problems to install. Thank you very much.